Well, welcome to the roost this morning. We're gonna head over and take a peek at the cows, make sure they're all right, got water and nothing's going on with them. The woman was making fun of me in my trousers. She said I should be walking like this. So I guess I probably should. People don't understand how convenient coveralls are. When I was younger, I used to wear the heck out of these things. Put your wallet in the top pocket, your knife, I don't know what else. Plenty of things. So bear with the filming. This is our first time with a selfie stick.
I'm gonna fall over in this grass.
Oh boy, we're becoming trendies. Yep.
It's easier to film than it is to write.
Yep.
I'm gonna yell on camera for the cows.
Yep. I don't see them.
Maggie! Maggie! Oh, I see Bo Bennett.
There's Bo and Maggie.
Look at Thatcher, honey.
There's old Scratchy. Get in some weeds there, Scratchy. Putting your camo on.
Oh, you're a good baby. Come on, babies. Yeah, I don't have a treat. I just want to pet you. Wow, Grace has to be pregnant. Look how big her belly is.
Bunch of deer traffic back here, all matted down, and you got deer beds. So we plan on putting a hunting stand just on the other side of those cedar trees over there, so kids can hunt both sides of the field. You got some pretty good whitetails hanging out. Oop! I dropped my can. Let me see if I can stuff it in there better. There we go. It's even got a zipper. I'm telling you, the country was a whole lot better when people wore coveralls. I didn't know kidding.
That's true. That's true.
So take off your corporate slacks and put on some coveralls, people.
Complete the look here.
Yep. That's right.
Maybe a piece of poisonous grass.
Just jumping past this old farm mall. Man, this thing's tough to film. Leaving you in the dust with your little short leg span there.
It's pretty cool looking.
Get her cutting here soon. Got an old tree over here that blew down in a windstorm that we had a few days ago, and so you knock some wood out. Let's see here. I can see it there. So we've got here just a piece of wood ready to be split, hand split. And so just over the years I want to pass on the knowledge I've learned on hand splitting wood. The best time to split wood is when it's 30 below zero, because then they pop like ice cubes. Other than that, you're gonna have a lot of fuss with knots in your wood. So you always want to learn how to read the knots. And so you got a big old gnarl over here. And so you don't want to split right here because you're going to be fighting this gnarl when you're swinging your axe. So your best option would be to split right off of it right here, and then take those halves and split it right here. That way your gnarl or your knot is just on one spot. So we'll demonstrate. So I don't know if you can see that or not, but my gnarl is about right here, and so I want to split right here, right just off of it. So when you split in half, you can see this big old, see if I can pop that screen on. There we go. You can see this gnarl you would have been fighting, splitting through it. So just off the edge, we eased it in and got past it. So now these last two halves should be real easy splitting. So the better you can read the wood, the easier you're gonna have splitting wood. And that, lady and gents, is how you swing a wet axe and read the grain.